Before we begin today's lesson, I would want to welcome all our new viewers who are just joining us for the first time. Welcome to Oyalen. And for those who have been consistently following our videos and watching our classes, a very big thank you to you for being consistent in this channel. Thank you very much. Without you, we would not be here, and you mean a whole lot to us. So thank you to those who have been consistently watching us and also sharing this channel to other students and also our new viewers. Welcome to Oyalen. All right, now in this class, we are about to learn figures of speech. So our topic for today is Introduction to Figure of Speech, and this is under the literature part of English. So welcome once again to English class. Please do well to listen attentively and follow up. All right, now what is figure of speech? A figure of speech is a special way of using words to make our speaking or writing more interesting. Now, I want to assure you that by the end of this class, you would love figures of speech, and in fact you will get to see yourself using it daily when you're communicating to people or you're writing probably an essay or anything down. Figure of speech is a very interesting, exciting topic. It literally widens your knowledge and your use of words. All right, so figure of speech is a special way of using words, a special way of using words to make our speaking or writing more interesting. Now, example is this. Now we have an ordinary sentence and we have a sentence that made use of figure of speech. The ordinary sentence says, the girl is very beautiful. The girl is very beautiful. Very ordinary, just plain, okay, the girl is very beautiful. Now, if you to use a figure of speech in the sentence, you would say, the girl is as beautiful as a rose. The girl is as beautiful as a rose. Now, when you use a figure of speech for this, what you've done is you've created a picture in the mind of the reader, and the reader can literally connect the beauty of the girl to something that also looks very good. All right. Now, for figure of speech, we have the types of figure of speech. We have simile, metaphor, personification, hyperbole, onomatopoeia, alliteration, and lastly, irony. In subsequent videos, we will be going through the types of this type of figure of speech and how to use them in sentences. Figure of speech make our sentence or our communication beautiful. All right, thank you for following and also learning English with me. If you are just joining us for the first time, like our new viewers, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon to get updated whenever we post new videos on this platform. Thank you for learning.